One of the challenges with this is this particular drill. I guess it's a variable speed, so it goes faster the more you press the trigger. So you have to really be careful with how you press the trigger, because otherwise what happens is, see, it slips and then it spoils the threading on the screw. So I think what I'm going to do is just use a screwdriver, because that's better, and I can very easily, because these screws are self-tapping, they will go into the wood very easily. So I'd rather just use a screwdriver. And there I can feel it tighten into the wood. Okay, I'll just finish the rest and continue with the video.